Intelligent design engineering's mission is simple: provide the highest quality residential structural engineering services, period. Because we pride ourselves on our quality, our knowledge, our professionalism, and our communication, which is really important once you start building or repairing your project. We specialize in both residential structural designs and inspections. On the design side, we're often compared to architects or designers. And the difference is that they design the functionality and they make it look pretty, and we go in and design the structural components to make it stand out. On the inspection side, we're often compared to home inspectors. They look at the entire house, and when they find structural issues, we're there to inspect them to determine if they are a concern, why they're occurring, and how to fix them. We're the largest residential structural engineering firm along the East Coast. We have over 20 years of experience, and over half our team are professional engineers. The advantage of having a large team is that we're able to have weekly meetings and bounce ideas off each other. It's nice to have the feedback from everyone to determine what's the most economical and best solution. We're also able to double check each other's work and help prevent oversights in the field. We understand that time is money, and instead of waiting for one engineer to get back to you where you can't get a hold of, we have multiple that you can fall back on, where you can always keep the project moving. If you're looking for an engineer that you can count on and will treat your project like their own, then look no further. We're here for you.